sent the letter, and she may be aware of a person who forged it. But now, as you read the papers, it's now she forged. And today it was very clear. Ms. Sambula not only signed the letter, she also sent it. So let's start with the first count of perjury. At page 11, paragraph 28. This is what Mr. Khumalo says. That the statement about his expulsion, he says, purports that the decision to expel me and other executive members was taken by the National Leadership Corps, he says, sometimes referred to as the Interim Leadership Corps. And then he says, it is unclear to me where this structure derives its power in terms of the MKP constitution. Let's just pause there. Page. So it's unclear to Mr. Khumalo where the structure called the National Leadership Corps or the Interim Leadership Corps gets its powers. Then go to page 148. 148, my lady. Yes. This is a letter written by Mr. Khumalo on the 27th of February 2024, signed by him. He doesn't claim that this one is forged. And he says, the purpose of this letter, dear sir, is to the IEC. Dear sir, the purpose of this letter is to inform you that the MK party has resolved to hold its elective conference at all levels only after the 2024 elections. Until then, the party will be governed and led by an interim leadership corps appointed as such. So let's just pause there. So the structure that he says he doesn't know where it gets its powers, he explains to the IEC under his own handwriting that is the structure that is going to take us until after the elections. Then he says at page 14, this is the second count of perjury. He says, I wish to state that Ms. Zuma Sambudla excuse me, is not part of the leadership collective of the MKP, and therefore she is not authorized to communicate anything regarding the MKP with the IEC or any stakeholders on behalf of the MKP. He says this. At the end, he says, so help me God. And then, let's go back to page 148. At page 148, he says, in his own handwriting, which he has not disputed, paragraph 2, in line with the above, the MKP, via its ILC, that's the Leadership Corps, resolved on 19 February 2024 to make the following amendments in respect of the particulars furnished in its deed of foundation previously submitted in terms of Section 15 of the Electoral Commission Act 51 of 1996. Next paragraph. By the addition of the following names of the members constituting the executive body of the party. 1, Mr. Tandukolo Jodo, 2, Mr. Edward Mchingila, and surprise, surprise, 3, Duduzile Zuma Sambudla. Signed, J.S. Kumar, at page 149. So this is the same person that says she's not part of, swearing to God, she's not part of the leadership collective of the MKP, and therefore she's not authorized to communicate anything regarding the MKP. Then, as if that's not enough, let's go to page 150. This is a letter signed by Mr. J.S. Kumalo, now on the 19th of March 2024. It says, the purpose of this letter is to inform you that the MK Party's leadership has resolved that the login credentials for the IEC portal be changed and replaced as in paragraph 2 below. And then in paragraph 2, says, in line with the above, the MK Party, via its interim leadership core, requests that the following members' details be included. And the person, Duduzile Zuma Sambudla, and signed J.S. Kumalo, party leader.